Here's another great recipe you've probably never heard of, Roman broccoli sauce. We traveled to Italy. We thought this was just going to be another pesto. In fact, it's part of a whole family of recipes that uses vegetables and pasta. Something simple, but something absolutely delicious. The great thing is you actually use the stems as well as the florets. Cut that off. Take the leaves off, which we can use as well. Now, you can try to peel these with a peeler. I don't like to do that. I actually just like to use a knife and go down the sides. I want to take out that outer tough skin. And what's left underneath is actually pretty tender. And we'll just cut them into pieces. We're going to add a tablespoon of kosher salt to a quart of water. And we're going to cook these 8 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to prep the broccoli florets. You want to keep the florets fairly small here. People often ask, shouldn't you steam your vegetables versus boil your vegetables? Boiling does reduce the vitamin content, but it also improves the antioxidant content versus steaming. So there's a bit of a trade-off there. The bulk of vitamin content lost, it has to do with when something was picked, how long it's been in storage, how it was stored. And the steaming versus boiling doesn't matter that much. Stems are, yes, they're definitely cooked. Spinach goes in, cook that just about 20 seconds. So now we'll just take the vegetables out. We're also going to take half a cup of the liquid because we'll use that in making the sauce. Now we're going to do the florets, and they'll just take 2 or 3 minutes. And those are not going into the sauce. Those will be served with the pasta separately. Hot! It's crisp tender with an emphasis on crisp. Another 30 seconds. And you can, if you want, rinse these under cold water, but I don't think they're going to overcook, just to be true. Drop the pasta.
Chris, why do we call for specific noodle shapes in different pasta recipes?
A chunkier sauce like this, which has broccoli, florets in it, etc., you probably want pasta that's going to trap the sauce a bit better. But at the end of the day, it probably doesn't really matter that much. It depends on what you like, but this is going to trap the sauce better than, let's say, spaghetti. So we have red pepper flakes, we have some lemon zest, garlic, capers, softened butter, and a little pepper, half a cup of liquid. Good to go. Al dente does not mean chewy. Al dente means to the tooth. It means it has texture to it. It doesn't mean it's uncooked in the center or it's bubble gum. You're going to chew it. It just means it's not flabby. It stands up to the tooth. Whoops. Or the floor. So before you drain it, always take off some pasta water. I just drain it for about 15 seconds. I don't have to shake it. You're going to want some of the liquid to help build the sauce anyway. Let's go in. It's lemon zest week here at Milk Street. So I'm going to put this at lowish heat. This is a part of a lot of Italian pasta dishes is you finish the sauce with the pasta. So the sauce gets absorbed and the starch from the pasta cooking water helps emulsify the sauce. It starts to form, a marriage between the two. Take a little taste.
Jeez, Chris, it looks like you really oversalt your food.
I like salt. I'm not afraid of salt. That's why people go out to dinner. Guess what? Restaurant chefs use a lot more salt than you do. And that's why their food tastes good. You could use Parmesan. I like pecorino with this. It's a little gamier and has a stronger flavor. So there we have it. Roman broccoli sauce. It's great Italian cooking. It's simple ingredients, not too many. It's delicious.